An Austin company has deployed robots in dozens of hospitals nationwide, and this is only the beginning. They're freeing up nurses and healthcare providers so they can focus on patient care.
Daisy can completely deconstruct an entire iPhone from start to finish in under a minute.
We'd love to solve climate change, we'd love to clean up the ocean, but it's a time-consuming activity to get in there and pick up plastic or get rid of pest species or clean hulls by hand. Robots let us automate that.
We're not just talking metal arms anymore. Some robots can literally heal themselves after minor damage. No service call needed. Yeah, you heard that right. Self-healing robots. Stay with me because these breakthroughs aren't sci-fi. They're rolling into hospitals and city services next. The leap isn't just stronger motors. It's materials that repair themselves and brain-inspired AI that helps robots learn and act with more autonomy. Where it matters first: healthcare and public safety, plus municipal services like waste management. These aren't flashy demos, they're practical tools being deployed right now. Here's how it works. Self-healing polymers can dynamically respond to stimuli, restoring function after wear or micro cracks. Think of it like skin closing over a cut bot for robot components. That means tougher robots in critical settings, from medical assistance to public safety, where failure isn't an option. When a healthcare robot can patch itself between shifts, that's one less breakdown during a busy ER night. Now add brain-inspired AI. These systems let robots adapt and learn so they can perform tasks more autonomously in complex environments. Pair that with self-healing parts, and you get systems that last longer and adjust faster, especially valuable in healthcare workflows where every second counts. But hold on, what could go wrong? Human errors during installation or programming can cause unpredictable robot behavior or mechanical hazards. In 2018, a delivery robot caught fire due to a faulty battery. That's not ancient history, it's proof that real-world deployments carry real risk. Safety isn't optional. Robust testing, oversight, and better batteries are mandatory if we want these machines in our spaces. Let's bring this down to earth. Meet Vero, a robot that uses AI to detect waste and keep working for up to 4.5 hours, even on challenging terrain. Why this matters: each cigarette butt can contaminate up to 1,000 liters of water. And cigarette butts add up to over 75,000 metric tons of waste yearly, with plastic components taking up to 30 years to decompose. Vero isn't just picking up trash, it's tackling a contamination crisis one butt at a time. So what changes at the system level? Healthcare. More resilient, adaptive assistive robots can sustain operations longer and learn routines, reducing strain on staff. Municipal services. AI-enabled cleanup like Vero supports cities tackling persistent litter and beach maintenance at scale. Instead of scheduling crews weekly, cities can deploy robots daily, covering more ground with fewer resources. Imagine your clinic using assistive robots built with self-healing materials to reduce downtime during busy hours. No more out-of-service signs during flu seasons. Picture your city scheduling AI beach cleaning runs after weekends, so the shoreline you visit stays safer and cleaner. That's not a decade away. Municipalities are testing this now. To make this work, we need guardrails. Prioritize rigorous installation protocols and programming reviews. Human mistakes here can create hazards. Demand better battery management and thermal safeguards to avoid incidents like the 2018 fire. The tech is ready, our safety standards need to catch up. Self-healing materials and brain-inspired AI are reshaping care and city services, while AI cleanup bots tackle stubborn waste. The stakes are real, from water contamination to plastic persistence, so smart deployment matters. These breakthroughs aren't hype, they're tools already rolling out in healthcare, public safety, and environmental management. The question isn't if robots will show up in your world, it's how soon and whether we're ready. Drop a comment, which task would you hand over to a robot first? And if you want more deep dives on emerging tech, hit subscribe. We'll keep you ahead of the curve.